Hi. The display now is displaying the advertising that we have already put or upload for this one. So now we need to change it. How we are going to change this? We are going to use mouse and keyboard. And we have two ports USB behind. We can use one for keyboard and another one for mouse. So now we are going to click right twice, and then it will goes to this, you see, settings. We will go for settings, and now as we see here we have two things. First of all, this one is the IP address of the gateway, so we should put here the same as address, IP address, that will be given by the software in the Windows of the computer. So in the computer that we are going to control, when we launch or log in the server software, they will give us exactly the gateway IP address, and we should know that this display and the computer should be on one network, like Wi-Fi or router, whatever. Here we can rename it, the terminal name. We can rename it, put any name we want. For example, because we have to double face, we can say, for example, this is Adidas A, and we can put the opposite one, Adidas B. So by this way we can know that Adidas shop has a signage A and B, and then we can send the exact program for both at the same time, A and B. Or we need from this side displaying different things from the A different than B, and then also we can make it. So by this way we can let the double face display the same things at the same time, or separately we can make different things on each side. Here we have to write down the IP address that we have been given by the computer. Don't forget this. This is the IP address gateway. After downloading the software on the Windows computer, there will be an icon like this, server. So when we click on it, it will pop up a Windows, tell us exactly what is the IP address of this computer on the network. So we are going to need this for two things. First of all, we are going to copy this URL to get in the software on the Windows, and the second thing that we need to put this address on the terminal display as shown on the video. So after I copy this and I copy this number, this IP address, and write it down on the terminal, then okay. So now we are going to go to the Chrome, paste what we have copied, this one, and then go. For first time, you will be asked about username and password. Both of them are admin, so you get in this. So after we just make sure that the terminals and the computer on the same website and the same Wi-Fi, then we can make sure from this terminal, and we can see how many here we have totally and how many here online. Or we can filter this, but I show me only the online because I'm only have one now, and then it's only one, and you can see it's added as A as I name it there. So we know which one is online. So now we need to make a new program for uploading the media that we want to display for. So we go for new program, and we name this new program, for example, whatever, just like test. And here in this field we are going to write down 12905 by 550. This is our display resolution. Then it will give me this working area, the blue one. And we have all this, as you see, all these things that we can display. Let's go for, first of all, the video. So we have now a video. We can stretch it to make it full screen, or even we can resize it as we want. And then after this, we need to upload the video. So we choose the video from anywhere and then upload it, and it will be upload. I will show you. Upload, for example, this one. Then uploading. When it will be done, it will say transfer complete. That means it's okay, and we can find it where we put it. Drag, put, and now it's upload. You see, so easy. And then send. That's it. It's not a big deal. So after we send it, we send, and then here you can see we are on test. This is, it gives us even the date, everything, and then we say okay. We choose which one we want to send this program for, this one, and then send, and you can see succeed. This is the only, it's so simple. For example, we want to do another program. Now it's a clean area. I want this mix. I all the time suggest this mix. In mix, we can mix two things together: videos and pictures. So we can upload pictures, we can upload videos, and it will be looping together. This is, I suggest this to do. So for example, let's go for this. You see, this is the picture, and then I need here also another picture. So we have here two pictures, and I want also, let's say, dimplex. Now this is also a picture. I want to try a video for you. So you see here we have video, two pictures and one video. We can send. Choose which display and send. Now it's working there. What I have chosen, it all works there. Videos and pictures.
So that's it, and I think that you might try all these things. And if it's for example, there's a beautiful things that like just like the weather widgets here, it will be also, but it should be online. Then it can get online forecast, countdown, gallery, 3D gallery, book. We try them all and choose what you like. Even you can make a date and time, text, audio, everything. So easy.